Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 mAh power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Watchwire News. Today we're talking about a deal that's got everyone excited, the Garmin Epix Pro Gen 2 for under £370. That's right, folks, you can now get one of Garmin's flagship smartwatches for less than an Apple Watch Series 10. I mean, talk about saving some cash. With a price drop of almost half, it's like H. Samuel is trying to say, hey, runners and fitness enthusiasts, we've got you covered. Now let's dive into what makes the Epix Pro Gen 2 so special. First off, this watch packs a punch when it comes to tracking outdoor runs or hikes. With its cutting-edge sensors and impressive battery life, up to 16 days on a single charge, you can wear it all day, every day without worrying about running out of juice. And if that's not enough, the Epix Pro Gen 2 also boasts an AMOLED display that's perfect for reading in dark environments. Plus, there's even a built-in torch, because safety first. And with Garmin Pay and offline music support, you can make contactless payments and listen to your favorite playlists on the go. But what really sets this watch apart is its industry-leading fitness tracking. With metrics aplenty, third-party app support, and training analysis, this watch is perfect for serious runners who want to take their game to the next level. And let's not forget about the brand behind it all, Garmin. Known for producing high-quality smartwatches that actually deliver on promises, you can trust the Epix Pro Gen 2 to do just that. So if you're a runner or fitness enthusiast looking for a top-notch watch at an unbeatable price, now's the time to act. Head over to H. Samuel and snag yourself the Garmin Epix Pro Gen 2 for under £370. Trust us, it's worth every penny.